I'm sorry. Well, I don't know why, but for some reason mine just, I have to do it again because mine just went. I'm on a tablet. Normally I use my husband's computer, but I'm on a tablet doing this. Okay. Um, hmm. Well, mine's not loading, but that's because my tablet doesn't always work so well. So anyhow, that's where you want to be. At 2:56 this afternoon. Oh, there it is. It'll say, you'll see all those names, right? Just hang tight. On the top of that page, you'll get an invitation from me. And my username is Miss Livel, Livel. Don't ask me why they, like the word live, and then another L. Yeah. Don't ask me why they didn't put the Y in, but they just didn't. So you'll get, uh, you have been invited to play bridge. Do you accept? And you'll see a little square. Hit yes.